Are you looking for a folding exercise bike for seniors? In this video, I will show you the 5 best folding exercise bike for seniors based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Exerputic Gold 500 XLS. Heavy duty and high durability steel frame construction with up to 400 pounds weight capacity. 20% more steel than the previous model for maximum performance. Folds for easy storage. An easy to read large computer LCD display that indicates calories burned, distance, time, speed, scan, pulse, and odometer. Large comfortable seat cushion for people of any size, and easily adjustable to fit 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches. User heights. An 8-level magnetic tension control system for an easier or more challenging workout. The 4th product on the list is the Xterra Fitness FB350. Monitor your heart rate with the convenient handlebar mounted pulse grips. Simply controlled with the large dial knob. Easy to use console. The 2x1 LCD window is easy to read with all the necessary information. Clearly display speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. Convenient accessory holder for your remote control or phone. The padded lower back pad, large anatomically designed seat, and multi-grip padded handlebars are designed for long-lasting comfort and support. The 3rd product on the list is the Exerputic 400 XL. Foldable recumbent exercise bike with steel frame. Supports up to 300 pounds weight capacity and easy to read large computer LCD display. Tracks your distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate. Can be used as a desk bike with height adjustable desks. Semi-recumbent design for easy entry and exit. Large seat cushion and backrest. Exerputic 400 XL folding recumbent bike can be folded up and rolled away when you are finished exercising. It is also designed to support up to a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Features like 8 levels magnetic tension control system, the high torque 3-piece torque crank system, heart pulse, and a double drive transmission system are all included for a very affordable price. The 2nd product on the list is the Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. This stationary bike from Marcy can fold and fit just about anywhere, and unfolding it to start your workout is simple. It is designed to be convenient and efficient. The padded seating and ergonomic handlebars make it easy to work out to your maximum potential. The solid steel build makes it a dependable and lasting exercise bike. The only way to make progress is to track your progress. The NS653 has an easy-to-read digital display. The screen displays speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The Marcy NS653 recumbent bike has an innovative frame design, which folds up for easy storage. Keep an eye on your calories or try each day to beat yesterday's time. Either way, track progress, make progress. The 1st product on the list is the Anchor Folding Exercise Bike. Anchor exercise bike is perfect for home fitness, and the folding exercise bike effectively saves space for fitness. The indoor stationary bike offers a variety of functions. The setting of the reluctance system makes the writing process very quiet and does not disturb anyone. It has a digital display and a tablet stand that lets you watch the video while you're exercising. The sturdy X steel design and support rods maintain a good balance during movement. 10-level resistance can provide every workout you want. The wide, soft seat provides strong support during your long periods of exercise. Good friction to prevent your feet from getting out of the pedal during high-speed riding. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.